Hey guys, welcome to my home tour for 2020. Yes, it's been raining every single day since the week started, so that's why the tour is happening tonight and not last week, but at least it's happening finally. It's actually drizzling a little bit now, so I'm gonna quickly do the outside so we can go to the inside. Like, comment, subscribe, and great bell if you're new. Love you guys. Okay, so we're gonna start with here with the garage, the twinkly lights on top of the garage. Yeah, really, really pretty. I'm actually filming with my camera. I haven't filmed my camera in like a year and a half, so long story short, but whatever. So this is like back to old school. Anyway, feels good. So these are the lights. These are actually the bushes that have like 500 lights on them now, which is really nice. And we have the twinkly lights, which go along the whole house. Well, the whole side of this house. This side of the house. Super pretty. We have Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Oh my gosh, I don't want to trip over this tree, on this tree branch. Okay. So, yeah. We'll just call him Rudolph, why not? And then we have the Christmas tree with the outside lights. Absolutely gorgeous. We'll see the inside in a minute, but this is just the outside view. Really pretty and cute. And then here is the outside. Okay. We have the candy cane walk. Very gorgeous. Candy canes with the lights on top. We do this every year. It's super pretty. And the bushes have blue lights on them. And the door has like the blue little thing on the entrance way with the pretty little bulbs there. Here is a close-up of the bushes in front of the house. Absolutely stunning. And then this says, "Baby, it's cold outside." Love this. The nativity scene. Gotta have that. It's not Christmas without with the nativity scene. And then we have more bushes over here. Absolutely gorgeous. And then more lights on there. And that's a car passing. So yeah, absolutely stunning. Okay, you guys. So that is the front of the house. So now I'm gonna go inside the house. So let's work our way inside. Okay, it's nice and warm in here. Okay, so we have this little wreath here. Beautiful. We have the tree. I love this tree. Look how pretty it looks. I know. Isn't it gorgeous? So gorgeous. I love this tree. It's so gorgeous. Oh. Just fabulous. Okay. Let's do this right here really quickly. Okay, so this is absolutely stunning. These lights are from Target, and then this wreath is from Target as well. Super pretty. Okay, let's go here, and then I love this, you guys. Poinsettias, lights in the fireplace. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Okay, now these straws, figurines, all the straw figurines you see are from Lord & Taylor. It used to be a department store. My mom got them in the early 80s, so like vintage. Yeah, like amazing. They're like nearly 40 years old. Yeah, gorgeous. So pretty, including him too. The cone trees are from Target. So gorgeous. Ugh, I love it. Let me just show this a little bit more up close. So pretty. Okay, so now I want to show you one more thing really quick. Of course, these cute little angels really quick. I want to show you right there. And then of course this one, I think from Target as well. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. So pretty. You know me, I have to always break out into the song at least once in the video. Okay, now let's go all the way upstairs because I want to show you the upstairs. Oh, really quickly. How gorgeous is this? So cute. Little nativity scene. Okay. Let's go upstairs, you guys. There's more stuff to show you guys. I'm so excited. There's so many cute things upstairs. Okay. We have another wreath here. Oh, turn this light on really quick. Why isn't this light on? Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. Okay, this wreath over here. This one. And there's a little angel in the bathroom. Really cool. Okay. Over there. It smells really good in here, by the way. Okay, we have this sign. These signs are all from Dollar Tree, in case you're wondering. This tree, which is magnificent. Okay, the tree skirt. We have the nutcracker, little mini trees, presents. And then look at this tree. Isn't it gorgeous? Stunning. And that's this side of it. Okay, we have a few more things here from Dollar Tree. These signs. And then Santa over here. And then this beautiful wall of greatness. Okay, so let's just start from over here. Oh, pillow here. Let me show you these pillows really quickly before I forget. There's some more pillows here. Yeah, and some Christmas socks over there. But yeah, some Christmas pillows there. Okay, now I'll show you up close in detail of this. Okay, then an angel right there. Okay, you guys, that is the home tour. There we go. For 2020. Thanks for watching, you guys. You guys are rock, and you guys are the best. Don't forget to like, comment, gray bell, and subscribe. Yes, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, stay fierce and fabulous. And thank you for subscribing. Merry Christmas. Bye, guys.